it's our culture.
Not important enough in everybody's life as much as it should be.
Damage prevention is everything. It's what we're here for.
Damage prevention is capital in your pocket. It is the less work you have to do, the less times you have to go out to the field, the more money you're putting in your pocket. But also safety, of course. It always goes back to safety. So if you can be safe, you can earn money, it's a win-win.
Critical. I mean, we have to protect the infrastructure and public safety.
Our responsibility to do the right thing each and every day, and it starts at where we live and it goes all the way to the workplace.
Connecting, networking, and collaborating to prevent damages to underground utilities.
It's all of us, right? I mean, it's a commitment. It's not one. We've pointed fingers for a long time, but again, coming together, collaborating, I mean, it's all of us. It's going to take absolutely all of us.